In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Observation Haki in Blox Fruits First C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire the Observation Haki. For you to do this, you will have to talk to a specific NPC. So the Instinct or the Observation Haki is an ability that allows you to dodge incoming attacks from enemies or players and see entities from afar and through solid surfaces. When it is activated, you will gain 2 dodges at level 1 and each dodge takes around 50 seconds to recharge. So you will be able to acquire it by talking to the Instinct teacher. So to learn this, you have to find the Instinct teacher. He is going to be located in the temple in the upper Skylands. So to keep it simple, go over to the Skylands in the first sea and climb all the way up. Eventually, you will be able to find the upper Skylands. You just have to follow the bridge going up, 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 and eventually you just have to follow the massive tree branch that you can find. Once you cross over through the tree branch, you will be able to locate the temple, and inside of the temple, the Instinct teacher will be found. So once you climb all the way up in the temple and you talk to the Instinct teacher, you will be allowed to acquire the Observation Haki or Instinct. So to learn it, you will need to be level 300 or higher. You need to have killed the Saber Expert at least once, and that means completing the Saber puzzle, and you need to have 750,000 to actually purchase Instinct. So you will be able to talk to him there, acquire the Observation Haki, and then use it. Keep in mind that you have to level it up to get more dodges and to increase the powers of the effect, but this is all you have to do to unlock it. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Observation Haki in Blox Fruits First C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.